How to fix your brightness keeps going down on your iPhone. So if your brightness is automatically changing by itself, I'm going to show you how to go and fix this. Now the first step is you need to load up the settings on your phone and then just scroll down this page and click on display and brightness. Now make sure automatic is turned off and disabled. You could then scroll down to true tone and also make sure this is turned off. You also want to come down to night shift and click on this and make sure night shift is also turned off. You then need to come back over to the main settings page and we're going to click on accessibility. Now select display and text size, scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure auto brightness is turned off and disabled, and you also need to make sure reduce white point is also turned off. Now finally come back over to the main settings page and click on battery. Scroll down to the very bottom and click on power mode. Make sure low power mode is turned off and disabled, and once you've applied all of these settings, that will stop your iPhone brightness from automatically changing.